Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by selecting the exact cells you want account words in. You can click and drag or type a range in the name box. You need either a contiguous range or a helper column to standardize inputs. Once done, insert a blank column next to your data for the formula results. Make sure there are no stray numbers or symbols that could skew counts. You are ready to enter the first formula step in the next slide. Now type the formula in the helper column next to the first text cell. It counts words by trimming spaces, replacing spaces, and measuring length differences. Once entered, press Enter and then drag the fill handle or double-click it to propagate the formula through the whole range. This applies the same logic to every row. Make sure to adjust A1 references if your column differs, and wrap with IF to return 0 for blank cells so totals remain accurate. You will sum next. Finish by summing the helper column with SUM to produce the total word count across your selection. Place the SUM formula where you want the final number visible. If the count looks off, make sure there are no non-printing characters or formulas producing unexpected headings. Run clean and trim on the source cells and recalc. If a single cell still misbehaves, inspect it manually for line breaks or extra.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.